Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to save money with the Honey extension. If you are someone who loves to shop online, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, we will be showing you how to use the Honey extension to find best deals and discount on your favorite websites. The first step is to install the Honey extension on your browser. You can download it for free from the Google Web Store or the Firefox add-on store. Now just click on Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, you will see the Honey icon in your browser's toolbar. Once the Honey extension is installed, you can start shopping as usual. Browse your favorite websites, like I want to buy from the Soul Store, so I am opening this website. Now just add anything to the cart. The extension will automatically search for coupon and discount that can be applied to your purchase. If any discounts are found, they will be displayed in a pop-up window. Simply click on the one you want to use and the discount will be applied to your purchase. That's it. You have just saved money on your purchase with the help of the Honey extension. Repeat this process every time you shop online to maximize your savings. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use the Honey extension to save money. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Happy shopping!